zap you, long ears. But I need to impress a beautiful woman. You just got Merlin? Oh, yes, you did.